In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to profit from a newly listed coin on Binance. Welcome to this brief yet informative guide. By the end of this session, you'll be well equipped to navigate the exciting world of crypto trading on Binance, maximizing your chances of making some impressive gains. Firstly, let's start by opening the Binance app. Once you're in, tap on the More option. Here, navigate to Announcement. These announcements are your key to the latest updates and new coin listings from Binance. Keeping a keen eye on this section is crucial as it provides you with real-time information on newly listed coins. These coins often present unique opportunities for early traders to enter the market before the rush. Now, why is this important? Well, when a new coin is listed, it often experiences significant volatility due to the sudden influx of interest and investment. By watching Binance's announcements closely, you can stay ahead of the curve and prepare yourself for the potential trading opportunities. Once you spot the announcement of a new coin, make sure you're ready before it goes live. This involves having your Binance account funded and your strategy planned. Preparation here is crucial because once trading begins, prices can move extremely fast. As trading goes live, attempt to buy the coin at this stage. A low entry price is often achievable during the initial moments of trading. However, patience and precision are key. Sometimes coins spike and other times dip initially, so timing your buy is crucial. As the price begins to climb, consider selling portions of your coins. Selling in parts unlocks profits and minimizes risk, ensuring that you don't hold on too long and miss peak opportunities. It also provides a safety net, allowing you to lock in gains as the price rises. Remember, the crypto market is known for its unpredictability, so it's usually a good strategy to secure profits along the way. To protect your investments from unexpected downturns, setting a stop loss is a smart move. A stop loss order automatically sells your coins if the price falls to a certain level, thereby limiting your losses. It ensures that even if the market takes a sudden dive, your potential loss is mitigated. Adjust the stop loss according to your risk tolerance and the coin's volatility. By following this structured approach, you not only position yourself to take advantage of new opportunities, but also safeguard your profits from the inherent risks of trading. Armed with these strategies, you're on your way to becoming a savvy Binance trader. So, dive into the announcements, prepare your strategy, and get ready to seize profitable opportunities with newly listed coins. Happy trading!